Today the discussing topic is about the difference between the neutral wire and the earth wire. So the neutral wire and earth wire are two different connectivity. The neutral wire, we get the neutral wire at the transformer start point R, Y, B, red phase, yellow phase, blue phase, and all the phases are connected to each other to make a common point, and from the common point the neutral of the particular transformers is outing, and this neutral is solidly ground near to the transformers. So what is the function of the neutral wire we discussed about today? The neutral wire complete the circuit by providing a return path for the current to flow back to the power source after it has been used by the load. Normal operation. Under normal condition, the neutral wire carries current, especially when there is an imbalance in the phase current. So potential, what is the potential of the neutral wire? The neutral wire is typically maintained at a near zero potential related to the earth ground. Color coding commonly used in the National Electrical Code NEC, white, light blue in the International Electrotechnical Commission. The color coding is light blue in the international function, and national function it is white. So what is the purpose of the neutral wire? The neutral wire is purpose to complete the circuit and the flow of the electricity. So it is the function of the neutral wire, and the neutral wire is just, if you are taking the single phase supply to your home, so you are getting some phases, one of the phases and one neutral, because the neutral is the return path for the electricity to flow. In the imbalance condition, the current is flowing through it. So this is the function of the neutral wire, and it is a very vital part of the transformers. Without neutral part, if any problem will be there, so the costly transformers may be affected. So by help of this neutral point, if an imbalance condition, some imbalance current will flow through, or any types of problem will arises, the surplus current will flow through the neutral to the ground. So it is the best protection for the high value item or high value equipment in the electrical systems. And in the grounding part, in case of the grounding, I have drawn in CT, 33 kV CT, or it may be the 132, 220, 400 kV CT. CT as like as this. This is the live tank CT. P1, P2, P1 and P2 is the primary side, and S1, S2, S3 are the secondary terminal or secondary coil. The primary coil and secondary coil are just connected to each other. So from this point and also this point, the CT body has been earthed by help of the 50x6 channel, channel. So it is the channel, GI channel. By help of this channel, this particular equipment, it is the current transformers I have drawn. This particular equipment has been earthed. So what is the function of this earth? The function of the earth wire provide the low resistance path. This is the low resistance path for the fault current to flow to the ground. If any types of fault will be here, so it may be the leakage current will flow through this to the ground. So it is the low resistance path for the fault current to flow to the ground and preventing the electrical shock for the electrician who are just operating these types of devices. It may be the CT, PT, breaker, whatever be the panels, all should be properly earthed to prevent the electrical shock and protecting the equipments. And normal operation, what is the normal operation? Under normal condition, the earth wire carries minimal or no current. Normal condition, it is not flowing any types of current. In the case of the fault, duration of the fault current is flowing through it. After grounding, the no current will be there. Again, the purpose to provide the safety path for the fault current, protecting the user and the equipment from the electrical hazards. And color code, we are using the color code here, the green. If we are using the 50 into 6 GI channel, so we paint it green color to identify that it is the earth point of the particular equipment. It may be the earth of the current transformers, it may be the earth for the power transformer, distribution transformer, different types of equipment. What are used in the substation or the power plant, all has been earthed by help of this color coding flat or color coding conductor or color coding wire. Green, and green with a yellow strip may be also used. The connection, the earth wire is connected to the metal chassis or enclosures of the electrical equipments, ensuring that any fault current will flow, any types of fault current will flow through the earth wire and not through a person. So it is very, very important. So you understand about what is the neutral. Neutral is outing from the transformer star point. It has been used for the protection of the transformers, or it may be used in the generator in the power plant for generating the electricity to balancing the imbalance current of the three phase in case of the load terminal. And earthing is for the leakage current or the fault current, whatever be the there. If the during the fault situation, this current is passing through this earth point. So this is the difference between the neutral point and the earth point. If you want to measures the voltage between the neutral point and the earth point, so if it is the socket, this is the earth point, this is the phase, this is the neutral point. If you have to measure the voltage between the neutral point and the earth point of your home, you will get approximately 2 volt or maximum 5 volt, because you are getting the zero in your home. So because the earth is the low resistance path, the neutral is coming from the transformers, and the earth, you are doing the earth beside your home. So this earth point and the neutral point voltage, some voltage may be there, the potential difference may be there because the resistance are here. So V equal to IR. So resistance are there, current is flowing. When you are measuring it, the current is flowing, some current is flowing, and the measuring the resistance between the neutral point and the earth point. So you will get the 2 volt in case of the in your home, but the maximum voltage you get the 5 volt. Up to the 5 volt it is permissible, and it is very good for the proper connectivity of the earth point, because you have properly earthed your system if you got the voltage of 2 volt or 5 volt. If but in the case of near the transformers point, if you are suppose this is in transformers, and this transformers body is earth, so you are getting the voltage between this point and this point, neutral point and the earth point. So you will get the zero voltage, because the resistance between this earth point and this earth point is minimal, negligible to zero ohm. So if you are putting I into R, if some current will be there, so R equal to 0, so you will get the voltage 0 here. In case of in your home, so neutral point and the earth point is far away from each other, there should be any types of resistance value, higher value, so you will got this resistance value. If the minimum current is flowing, because the 2 ohm is the resistance between your neutral point and earth point, you will getting suppose this is the 1 ampere is flowing here, so you got the 2 volt. So 1 ampere is flowing, the 5 ohm is the resistance between your home and the neutral point of your pole mounted transformer near your home, it is 5 ohm. So you got the voltage, the potential difference is 5 volt. So up to the 5 volt it is permissible. So now friend, you understand about what is neutral point and what is the earth point, and when you are measuring the voltage between the neutral point and earth point, you are getting some voltage in your domestic purpose inside of your home, and you got some you do not got any voltage near the transformers. So you understand about it. So friend, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updated technical knowledge. Thank you for watching my video.